Alright, another fabric unboxing. This looks like it is the holiday 12 fat quarter pack from Fat Quarter Shop. This just came today, so this is not late. It's called Winter Village, November 2018. Let me get it out of the bag again so there's no glare. And I hope you can see it. Let me zoom in a little. It's called the Holiday Fat Quarter Club Monthly. I get it monthly. This one's featuring Winter Village, and it is again 12 fat quarters. And this looks like it's a traditional red green. I'm not sure. I'm not sure who. I don't know if it's Moda or anything like that. Sorry about that. But the price, it's $29.98 per month. Shipping of $4.98. So total is $34.93 shipped. So let me get into it. There's a really nice tone-on-tone. I can't tell what it says, but nice tone-on-tone. This one is a Christmas snowy village on the nice off-white background. This is evergreen and pine cones, pine boughs and pine cones. This one is a really colorful candy background. This looks the same with a green background. This is the same with a green background with the pine cones and the pine sprigs. Again, Christmas village with green background. I'm glad that I got a traditional red and green because everything's been like aqua, which is fine. I love turquoise and aqua, but I'm glad that we got a traditional. Love nutcrackers. Green background. This looks like snowballs. I don't know. I live in Hawaii. We don't have snow. So it looks like bare branches with little white cotton almost. Red background. Here's snowman. Super cute. Red background. Here's the nutcrackers again with a red background. And this one is the same as this. It says fa la 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 la. That's what this says. So that's black wording with red background. Hope you enjoyed this. As usual, I'll put all the description down in the description below, where to get it, how much it costs, links, and all that kind of stuff. Okay, thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye.